family reunion.
Come on, Mike. I can't believe you rolled a 3 again.
I'm just warming up. Next turn, I'll crush you.
You two are as competitive as your father was at your age.
Can I join you guys? I want to play. Of course, but be prepared to lose. In your dreams, Sally.
So what have you all been up to? We haven't seen you in a long time. Fill us in.
Well, I just started a new job at the tech company downtown.
Really? How's that going for you, Tom?
It's been great. A bit overwhelming, but I'm learning a lot. They've got some exciting projects lined up, and I'm really looking forward to diving in.
That's fantastic. What kind of projects?
Mostly software development for educational tools.
It's great to hear you're enjoying it. And how's your new house in Maplewood, Jerry?
It's wonderful. The neighborhood is quiet and we have a lovely backyard. Lucy can play outside and we're close to a park.
Do you have a treehouse?
Not yet, Mike, but we're planning to get one next spring.
I want to come visit and help build it.
Yeah, sure. You're all invited. We can't wait to show you around.
We'd love to see your new house. Thanks for inviting us.
And what about you, Mom and Dad? How's life in retirement?
You know, we've just celebrated 3 years of retirement, and I think we're finally getting the hang of it.
I never thought I'd be so busy. We've been gardening, volunteering at the local soup kitchen, and even took a painting class together.
Painting? That sounds cool. Can you paint me a picture?
I'm not sure how good my skills are, but I'd love to try. Maybe we can have an art day together.
That would be fun. We can have a family art competition.
I think Grandma and Grandpa have the advantage there.
Just wait until you see my abstract art. It's a masterpiece.
I can't wait to see that, Jerry.
Family dinner night. Hey, kids. Mom is coming home a little later tonight. She has to finish a project at work. That means we need to cook dinner ourselves tonight.
Can we order pizza instead?
Yeah, pizza sounds great.
I know pizza is tempting, but how about we cook something together? It'll be fun.
What should we make?
How about a chicken and sweet potato tray bake? It's easy and delicious.
That sounds good. What do we need?
Here's what we need. Chicken thighs, sweet potatoes, olive oil, garlic, onion, red bell pepper, broccoli, parsley, pepper, and salt.
What do I have to do, Dad?
Sally, you can wash and peel the sweet potatoes.
What about me?
You will chop the garlic and the red pepper.
Chopping, my specialty.
And I'll handle the chicken and chop the rest of the vegetables. Now first, let's preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius.
Got it. What's next?
Now, Sally, you can start peeling and chopping the sweet potatoes into chunks. Mike, while she does that, can you chop the garlic and red pepper?
Sure, Dad.
Can I add the sweet potatoes to the tray when I'm done?
Absolutely. Once everything is chopped, we'll put it all together. Okay, now we'll add the chicken thighs to the tray, drizzle olive oil, and sprinkle salt, pepper, and garlic.
It smells so good.
Just wait until it's done. Wow, look at that.
Hey, everyone! I can smell dinner from the garage.
We made chicken and sweet potatoes.
And we did it all by ourselves.
I'm so proud of you.
All right, dig in, everyone. Home repair to-do list.
Hey, Tom, I thought we should sit down and make a list of all the home repairs we need to tackle.
Good idea. I've been meaning to get on top of that. Where do we start?
Let's begin with the living room. That ceiling light is flickering again.
Yeah, I noticed that. I can probably replace the bulb. Do we have spares?
I think we do. And what about that crack in the wall near the window?
That's a bit bigger. I can patch it up, but I need to sand it down first. Do we have sandpaper?
I'll check the garage. Next, the leaky faucet in the kitchen is driving me crazy.
Oh, that's an easy fix. I can take care of that this weekend.
Perfect. What else do we have?
The front door squeaks like it's haunted.
True. A little oil should fix that. I'll remind you to grab some when you go to the hardware store.
Sounds good.
Oh, and let's not forget about the back porch. The railing is loose. I think you can handle that, right? Just tighten the screws.
Yep, that's definitely in my wheelhouse. Anything else?
Just one last thing. The garden shed roof has a couple of missing shingles.
That might be a little tricky. I think we'll need a roofer for that.
All right, so we have a mix of DIY and some professionals to call. Ready to tackle it?
Absolutely. Let's get this list sorted out and start making calls.
Planning a sleepover. Okay, so I was thinking we could have the sleepover this Saturday. What do you think?
That sounds great. Do you have your friends in mind?
Yeah, I want to invite Mia, Emma, and Lily. They're all free that night.
Perfect. And we checked the calendar, right? No early commitments on Sunday?
Exactly. We can sleep in.
All right, let's talk about food. What do you want to serve?
How about pizza for dinner? Everyone loves pizza.
Sounds great. And for snacks?
Popcorn, dried fruits, and maybe some cupcakes.
Excellent choices.
And we could have a movie marathon too.
Do you have any movies in mind?
I was thinking some comedies, and maybe a spooky movie for fun.
Just make sure it's not too spooky for your friends.
Don't worry, Dad. I'll check with them first.
All right, let's talk about where everyone will sleep. Do you want to set up some sleeping bags in the living room?
Yeah, we can make a cozy spot with sleeping bags and lots of pillows.
Sounds comfy. Just remember to keep it tidy afterward.
Of course. I'll make sure we clean up.
Now, let's set some ground rules. What do you think is fair?
No phones after a certain time.
That's a good start. Maybe lights out by 12?
And let's keep the noise down after that, too.
Deal. This is going to be the best sleepover ever.
We're excited too. Just remember, have fun, but be respectful of the house.
And if you need us, we'll be right down the hall.
Got it. Thanks, Mom and Dad.
Saving energy at home. Look at this bill, Linda. It's very high.
Yes, I see. We need to save money on our energy. What can we do?
Maybe we can use energy-efficient technology.
Like what?
We can install solar panels.
Solar panels? How do they work?
They take energy from the sun. Then they make electricity for our home.
That sounds good. But are they expensive?
Yes, at first. But they can save us money on bills later.
That is true. What about heat pumps? I've heard they can help too.
Absolutely. Heat pumps can both heat and cool our home using less energy than traditional systems.
Really? That sounds interesting.
Yes, they can help us save more money.
What else can we do?
Switching to LED light bulbs is another effective way to save energy.
Oh, I have seen those. They last much longer than regular bulbs, right?
Exactly. We can also unplug devices when we don't use them. This can reduce energy waste.
That will help too.
Let's make a list of things to do.
Good plan. We can save money and help the planet. It's a win-win.
Yes, let's start today. Taking responsibility.
Hey, buddy, what's up? You look a little down.
Dad, I did something bad today.
What happened?
I was playing with my ball in the street today and I accidentally broke Mr. Thompson's window.
Oh no! Did he see you?
No, I just ran away. I didn't want to get in trouble.
I understand, but running away doesn't really fix anything, does it?
No, it just makes me feel worse.
It's okay to feel guilty, Mike. It shows you care about what happened. But you know, the right thing to do is to take responsibility.
What do you mean?
Well, if you broke Mr. Thompson's window, you should talk to him. Apologize and offer to pay for the repair.
But what if he gets mad?
He might be upset at first, but I think he'll appreciate your honesty. It takes courage to own up to your mistakes.
I guess you're right.
How about we go together? I can help you talk to him.
Okay, I'd like that.
Great! Let's get this sorted out. You're learning a valuable lesson today.
Social media safety.
Hey, Sally, can we chat for a minute about your social media?
Sure, Mom. What's up?
I've been thinking about how much time you spend online. I just want to make sure you're safe while you're using it.
I know, but all my friends are on there. It's how we connect.
Absolutely, and I get that. But I think it would be a good idea to switch your account to private mode.
Like, only my friends can see it?
Exactly. That way, only people you know and approve can see your posts. It helps keep your information safe.
But I want my followers to see my stuff.
I understand, but it's really important to protect your privacy. Not everyone online has good intentions. If your account is private, you have more control over who sees your content.
Okay, I see what you mean.
Also, remember to think before you post or comment. If it's something you wouldn't say to someone's face, maybe don't say it online.
Got it. No mean comments.
Exactly. And how about we set some limits too? Like maybe an hour a day for social media?
An hour? Oh, that's not much.
I know it feels short, but it'll help you balance your time. We can always adjust later, okay?
All right, deal. Thanks for looking out for me, Mom.
Always, sweetheart. I'm here for you.
Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this.